Welcome back, I'm Mike Festiva. In this video today we actually just take the little mini trucks out for a little adventure, cruising around on some back roads. It's just kind of a rainy, wet northwest winter day, so it's kind of good to get out of the house and do something. Start off the video cruising out some gravel roads and checking out some old military bunker installations in the woods. After that we actually put them in four-wheel drive and do a little bit of hill climbing with them, so enjoy the video. So you can see here this truck does not ride very smooth. It's not bad when you're cruising down the road, but there's like no articulation. The damn thing's as stiff as a 2x4. One of these days I'd like to soften up the suspension a bit, but I don't really want to affect the payload capacity that much. Now this climb, last time I attempted it, I could not do it with my Suzuki. I just had to run it in second and low range and just rev it out to keep the tires spinning. He's got locking diff in this thing, so it should be a lot better. Definitely loose and fairly steep. Rocky too. Kind of typical northwest wet rainy winter day, but hey, it's not like there's feet of snow or anything. Deal with a little mud and some rain. Got the mini trucks out today, cruising around. Was able to do a pretty good climb with this thing over here. Down all that. He's got the locking diff in the Honda over here, which definitely helps with climbing, and Don't know what they got going up here, but there's some carcasses. There's one here. Yeah, there's one sitting over here. Nasty dumping ground. Now I'm going to attempt this little climb, but without a locking rear diff, it might be a challenge. Might have to winch it out of here. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna get lined up with this thing. Probably second gear in low range. Not happening. Not gonna do it. Just have to do a winch. It's that open diff.
We're gonna have to winch you out probably.
Sure. That open diff is just not gonna have it up here.
It's steep.
Well, that was brutal, but
I guess all it took was just getting the winch out, dude. You just unhooked it and got it prepared.
Just
and
the thread of that.
Dude,
well,
you got it.
Second gear revved out and just freaking going for it.
Yeah, that was pretty gnarly.
People think you're gonna flip going down steep hills, and it didn't have a problem going down that one. It did have a little problem getting back up, though.
Almost.
Problem with this little hillside is it's extremely loose gravel, so you just, as soon as you get any wheel spin, it just starts digging right in.
I had to do a second low range, but I got an open diff. He can only run his diff lock in the back.
in super low range, which isn't enough speed for this. Almost got it.
Unscathed. It's good, but we're calling it a day, I think.
Yeah, it's wet out here. Let's head back. It was fun though.
Is there a bunker right here? Oh,
Yeah, we're coming up to a bunker. There's another one right in there.
I didn't even see it.
Yeah, we go check it out.
Little mini trucks are sure fun. Nice heated cab, nice to get back into when you've been outside in the rain. Good way to explore on a rainy day. Kind of a rainy drive back out on the highway right now. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and until next time, take care. Bye.